Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today I will be sharing with you how I created this beautiful money box for a party, wedding, or even quinceañera. So yeah, this is what I created. Let's begin. The first thing that you will be needing is an empty shoebox, and then I use one of these nail filers to create the opening. Right after that, I am going to use a cutter just to create the opening, and then I went to the Dollar Tree and I got this paper, and practically what I did is just to wrap that the box, the bottom portion of the box, and also the top portion of the box. But let me tell you that this paper from Dollar Tree is super thin. It will break apart very easily, so just be careful with that. And I got some of the diamond wrap from Dollar Tree as well, and practically the process was very repetitive. I went ahead and included some of these pearls from a necklace, and the ribbon and the name tag was from the actual invitation. And also I went ahead and added some of those diamond gems, and that is it. I hope that this video was helpful in any way, and like always, I will see you on my next video. Hasta la vista. Mwah. Adios.